If you want to know about a not null constant in Hindi, then I will give the link of the video in the description below and you can watch from there. In today's video, I am going to explain about a not null constant, what actually not null is and why they are used in SQL Server. And also I will show you practically live demo use of not null query. But before starting, hi guys, welcome to Dawa CIT. If you are watching our videos first time, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of our latest videos. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Not null constant. Null means zero, empty, blank, and if you put not in front of null, then it will become a not null constant. Not null means it doesn't allow a null value. I mean, if you put this not null constant in any specific column, in any particular columns like email ID, then you can't leave that column as blank. You have to input some value in that column, otherwise data will not be inserted into table. What actually happens in the database, if you do not insert any value in the column, then it is stored by default null, because column always holds by default null values. So if you do not want a null value to be inserted in it, I mean if you want to have some value inserted into column, then you will have to use a not null constant. By doing this, any users can't ignore that column while inserting data. In short, you can say that not null constant doesn't allow a null value. For an example, you must have seen in many websites, whenever you fill the online form, then you will see star symbol in some fields, right? It means a mandatory. That is, you can't leave that field as blank. You have to enter value in the field. I mean, you have to input some value in that field, otherwise your form will not be submitted, right? This is called a not null constant. So I will show you through the table how actually work not null constant in SQL Server. Create table employee underscore TBL. This is the table name, okay? Bracket open and close. Within bracket type employee ID int employee name varchar 50 not null. Here I have set a not null constant in employee name. Okay, salary money. Look at this query. I have created employee TBL and I have taken 3 columns here: employee ID, employee name and salary, right? After executing this query, table look like this. Right now there is no value inserted in the table. It's totally blank, right? And I have used ename as a not null, and now we insert the value into this table. If we insert a value in the first row of this table, like employee ID 1, employee name Dawa and salary 35,000. So now tell me, this value will be inserted or not into this table? Yes, definitely this value will be inserted into this table, because we have inserted the value here according to the rules of not null constant. We have not left ename column as blank here, right? And now again, if we insert a value in the second row, such as employee ID 2, employee name, in employee name we will not insert any value right now, okay? We leave this column empty, okay? And salary 25,000. Now this value will be inserted in this table or not? Tell me. No, this value will not inserted in this table. Why? Because we have used a not null constant in the column of employee name. So we can't leave that column as blank. I mean, we can't ignore this column. We have to insert value in ename column, otherwise data will not be inserted. If you want, you can leave the employee ID and salary column blank, but not the column of e-name. I mean, in these two columns, employee ID and salary, even if we do not insert any value, the data will be inserted in the table. How? Let's we will not input any value in employee ID and salary here. I will leave both these columns blank and only will input the value in e-name, like Rohan. Despite this, the data will be stored in the table, right? Because we have not used a not-null constant in both these columns, employee ID and salary. So we can leave it blank. This was a theoretically, so now let me show you a practically in SQL Server how to write a query of not-null constant in SQL Server. Okay, so let's open SQL Server. So first we create here database, click on new query, create database and database name employee. Select all and execute. Command completed successfully. Now let's see the database. Database is created or not. Right click and refresh. See, employee database is created, right? Now type here use database name employee, select all and execute. Command completed successfully. Now we'll create here table. Create table and table name like employee underscore TBL, bracket open and close. Within the bracket type here employee ID EID int comma employee name ename varchar 50. Here I used a not null constant, not null, comma and type here salary, money. Now select all and execute. Command completed successfully. Table is created. Now let's see the table. Select star from employee TBL. Select all and execute. See, there is no value insert in the table right now. So let's first insert the value of these three columns. For this we have to write some query. Insert into employee TBL values bracket open and close and type here employee ID like 1 comma single quotation mark and within the single quotation mark type here employee name like Dawa comma salary 35,000. Now select all and execute. One row affected. Now let's see the table. This value is inserted into table or not. Okay, so select all and execute. See the value employee ID 1 and employee name Dawa and salary 35,000 are inserted. Now we will insert one more value. Okay, copy and paste, but this time we will insert only two values employee ID and salary. Okay, we will not insert employee name value. Okay, so bracket open and close, we will enter here only employee ID and salary comma salary, employee ID 2. We remove this name employee name. Okay, because we want blank. salary 25,000. Now select all and execute. Say cannot insert the value null into column ename. This means that you cannot insert null value in column of employee name ename because we have used here a not null constant in column of ename, so we can't ignore ename column. Okay, we have to enter some value in ename column, otherwise data will not be inserted. Okay, but if you want, you can leave the column of employee ID and salary blank. No error message will be shown. For an example, here we'll just insert the value in the column of ename. Then let's see what will be. We just enter here employee name only. Okay, employee name ename. Employee name like Rohan. Now select all and execute. Say one row affected. Now let's see this value Rohan is inserted or not into ename column. Okay, select all and execute. Say the value of Rohan is inserted into ename column, right? But as you can see here, these two columns, employee ID and salary, and null value is stored, right? We told you further that a columns by default store a null value if no value is inserted in that column. Okay, I mean if you do not enter a value in column, then column hold by default null values. So you have to enter a value if use a not null constant. Therefore, we use a not null constant in the column so that it cannot ignore that column. I mean you can't ignore if use a not null constant. This was about the not null constant. In the next video, we will talk about unique constant. Hope you liked. Thank you so much for watching.